We are at Yokohama.
That's a person with a mask! Holy shit! Oh.
So we are at the entrance of Chinatown, Yokohama. It is the biggest Chinatown in all of Asia, except for, of course, in China. Today I am joined by a very special guest. This is the guy who helped me get here. Please, let's say hello to Jack to the band.
It's me! Hi!
We are going to check out this place. In 1859, the first settlers came here from China. They were trading here and found labor and settled here, so that's how it was created. And we are going to check this place out. Chinatown, Yokohama is a great place to enjoy some Chinese food. Because of the extreme heat, we went for an ice cream.
Eat before it melts. No. I'm posing right now. Alright, let's try it.
After Chinatown, it was time to visit the main reason why I wanted to come back to Yokohama, the Gundam Factory. Later in the video, we will go to the top. It is said that the Gundam lost a battle and crashed near the pier of Yokohama. They rebuilt it with the materials they found. If it's true, I don't know, but it's definitely a compelling story to say the least. In the summer there are a lot of events in Tokyo and we stumbled upon one of them. Now Cosmo World sure looks cool, but let's first take a look at our next stop. So we are at the Cup Noodle Museum. It is free of charge, so it might be interesting to you. We are going to check it out. It will probably take up an hour of your time, so we are very excited to check it out. Aren't you excited, Jack?
Yeah! I'm excited! Excited for the Cup Noodle Museum?
Of course!
Ikimashou!
Ikimashou! The Cup Noodle Museum is a fairly small museum. It shows all the types of noodles that have been in circulation. So look your eyes out and enjoy the noodles. We are here at Cosmo World, at the biggest Ferris wheel of the world, with a clock, and we are going to go inside it later on. But first we are going to shit our pants at the haunted house. Let's go.
Do not do that to me. No. I cannot, I'm not gonna. Nah, dude. Oh, God. That's a person with a mask. Holy shit. Oh.
After the 100 times, it was time to relax in the Ferris wheel.
Okay, so how are you feeling?
I'm slightly freaking out. It's nice. The weather is good. There's air conditioning, which is great. Because otherwise we would be sitting in a fucking oven.
True.
But other than that, it's great, man. The view is nice. I wonder where the cable are going through.
The night sky is colored by the
It
spectacular
doesn't seem that
illumination
spectacular.
effect.
Yes, it's great.
This brilliant
Excellent.
illumination of the giant Ferris
I hate it.
wheel
It's terrible. No, I'm kidding.
magnificent
Yeah, I'm having a good time.
spectacle to
The Ferris wheel of Cosmo World is definitely one of the eye catches of Yokohama. It is a great way to see the city from above, and it takes about 20 minutes to go full circle.
I think I know what we're gonna eat today.
It's time for some dinner, so some okonomiyaki time.
Oh yeah. How is it?
Excellent.
Oishi?
Oishiyo.
So we're at Yokohama landmark sky building. We are going up the Sky Garden right now, and on a clear day you can see Mount Fujisama, so hopefully we can see it. It is the highest building in Yokohama, so let's check it out. Now the elevator in this building is fast, and after miserably failing to see Mount Fuji in different videos, I finally did. Unfortunately, this is where we say goodbye to Jack. Jack, it's been an absolute pleasure. Go check out his channel if you don't know him already. And I hope to have you on another time, man. It has been an absolute pleasure. It was so much fun.
Yeah, dude, I hope to see you again.
Yeah.
Great.
Right. See you, man.
Take it easy. Bye.
Crazy bastard, crazy bastard. We are at the Gundam of Yokohama and we are going to check it out. Unfortunately, Jack isn't with us anymore. I want to thank you so much, Jack, for being in this video. It has been an absolute pleasure, but we are going to check it out. So Jack, this one is for you. And the Gundam is cool, but at night gives off a sinister vibe. It was incredible to see from up close and from far. This is already the end of the video. I want to thank Jack to Japan so much for coming on. We had a blast. If you haven't already, please consider clicking that subscribe button. And also, if you want to see more day trips away from Tokyo, I recommend you checking out this video.